The electric vehicle market continues expanding at a rapid pace, but most new EVs coming to market are either small hatchbacks or larger SUVs. That leaves a gap for EV buyers looking for something in between, like an electric sedan. Enter Volkswagen's new ID.7, the flagship of the automaker's ID family of electric vehicles. Built on Volkswagen's dedicated MEB electric architecture, the ID.7 goes the sleek four-door route in lieu of current design trends. Its slippery shape helps it achieve an impressive 386 miles of range based on the European WLTP testing cycle. Power comes from a rear-mounted electric motor rated at 282 horsepower and 402 pound-feet of torque. This allows the ID.7 to sprint to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 brisk seconds. Inside, a minimalist theme takes charge with ambient lighting and several smart features. These include automatically adjusting ventilation and a voice assistant named IDA. However, during our first drive, these intelligent functions were hit or miss. More straightforward tech like the standard adaptive cruise control and available augmented reality head-up display worked well. On the road, the ID.7 defaults to a smooth, quiet driving experience free of any EV quirks. Acceleration is strong when needed, and higher regenerative braking can be dialed in to recapture more energy. Less impressive are the spongy friction brakes and inert sport driving mode. The ride itself is comfortable thanks to adjustable dampers. With competitors offering more flash or driver engagement, the competent ID.7 shapes up as an electric alternative for buyers seeking familiar sedan virtues. Attaining success rests on Volkswagen's final pricing. Positioning it too high in premium territory compared to segment leaders like the Tesla Model 3 and BMW 1.4 could limit its appeal. The 2024 Volkswagen ID.7 ably fills the void for a slick electric sedan at an expected reasonable price. It delivers on the core aspects buyers want from an EV while dialing down any over-exuberance. Savvy shoppers okay with focusing on substance over style will find the ID.7 checks their boxes. More passionate drivers should look elsewhere. Volkswagen has yet to announce full pricing details for the ID.7. Expect a starting price around $50,000 when it goes on sale in late 2023. That positions the electric sedan at a slight premium over Volkswagen's smaller ID.4 crossover and above mainstream rivals like the Hyundai Ioniq 6. The higher price better aligns with the ID.7's flagship status among Volkswagen EVs. An initial rear-wheel drive model will come first, with an all-wheel drive variant to follow. Other additions down the road include a more powerful dual-motor powertrain, upgraded battery pack, and a Europe-only wagon body style. As for competitors, the main alternatives beyond the Model 3 and i4 include the Tesla Model S, Porsche Taycan, and Mercedes EQE. The ID.7 stretches 195.3 inches long, which makes it nearly as sizable as the larger Mercedes EQE. Height stands at 58.2 inches atop a 115.3-inch wheelbase. Design follows a sleek four-door coupe silhouette with rakish rear roofline. Sharp lines and voluptuous curves lend style without seeming overdone for a Volkswagen. Notable elements include the swept-back headlights integrated with the front grille assembly. Lower fog lights feature Volkswagen's signature daytime running light strips. The rear end shows off slim taillights joined by a light bar spanning the liftgate. 5 exterior colors range from modest moonstone gray to showy King's red metallic. Inside the ID.7, ambient lighting sets off an airy minimalist theme. The lack of conventional buttons enhances the high-tech atmosphere focused on a standard 15-inch central touchscreen. Materials skew toward harder plastics on lower surfaces with soft-touch padding up top. Available comfort features include multi-contour front seats, heated rear seats, and a panoramic sunroof. The ID.7 boasts 18.7 cubic feet of cargo space, on par with compact sedans but less than its hatchback rivals. Rear seat room benefits from the stretched wheelbase, although headroom is still limited by the tapered roofline. At least ingress and egress are easy thanks to rear doors that open almost 90 degrees. All ID.7 models come well equipped with the latest safety tech and driving aids. Standard fare encompasses forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Upgrades introduce a 360-degree camera system, automated parking, and Volkswagen's Travel Assist semi-autonomous driving suite. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.